everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day and staying safe. My missing package has been recovered. Woohoo! From the Real, so it's gonna be a true unboxing. Just got it today. It's been missing for about 3 or 4 days, so they finally found it. So that's great. Comes in a box like this. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, let's see here. And if you would be so kind to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos. Because when I reach 500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm looking forward to that. All right, let's see. We're in. Okay, got that. Real. If you've never dealt with them before, they have really good pricing. They're in California. Also, the shipping to Canada is half of what it is from Fashionphile. However, the difference between the Real and Fashionphile is the inventory. So they don't have, as much as Fashionphile. So if you're looking for something that may be a little harder to find, you may want to go Fashionphile route. But if it's something that, isn't that hard to find or has only been discontinued for a few years or something like that, you may want to check out the Real. They do, like I said, they do have the best prices in my opinion. So definitely check them out. But I'm really super happy that they found my package because I was starting to stress out. You know how that goes. All right. So they come in these little pouches if the original one doesn't come with it. They do give you this semi dust bag. I mean, they're not that bad. So that's the first one. This is the second one that says the Real. Okay. So the box is empty. All right, Ted got a parcel today too, so he's pretty happy.
Oh yeah.
If he doesn't get a parcel, he really gets an attitude, so have to keep him coming. All right, that's just the bubble wrap, no alarm. All right, so this has a CC on it, came in a case, which was nice. Pretty heavy case. These are my first Chanel, so let's take a look and see what I got. All right. So it comes in that. That's what the case looks like. Hard case. Okay, these are a lot nicer than I thought. And they have the CC on the side there. So these are pretty cool. Take the tag off. So yeah, these are in like really good condition. I was thinking that they were going to be like, for the price, I thought they were going to be like all scratched up, but no. I'm really happy about that. Okay, so these are actually better than I thought. Do you guys ever order pre-loved items and then you get them home and they're like better than you thought? So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'll take that off. And I did find out from my essay at Chanel, Natasha, she said that sunglasses do not come with authenticity card. So they're not like leather goods or bags or pouches or anything like that come with the authenticity card. But shawls, shoes, glasses, you know, any kind of accessory basically does not come with one. So it came with the case, which I'm happy to get. It did not come with the dust cover. However, the real one isn't too bad. So that's fine. All right, so that's the first one. Second one comes in the same style bag here. The real. All right, and this came in a case as well. So sometimes you don't get a case, so I was pretty happy about that. This is Fendi. These are the Fendi Monster with black and yellow trim to go with my collection. It came in a really nice case like this. This case looks new. Okay, that's cool. All right, it says Fendi on it. All right, it's got the tag in the front as well. Okay, and it's got the yellow, and then it's got the mirror effect. And then on the side here, it's in yellow and it says Fendi. All right, and I'll definitely take the tag off. But yeah, all right, so that's pretty cool. All right, so that's my 2 unboxings for today. If you have any questions or you'd like to see anything different or you have any requests, please leave them below. What's your favorite sunglasses? Were you surprised more with pre-loved than you thought? Leave that in the comments below, is always appreciated. And my next video is going to be part 3 of my Samorga Fendi bags and other bags, so stay tuned for that. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys, and have a nice holiday. Bye now.